guys, today we're going to build a double widget spinner. We have to get these two pieces. It can be any color, though we have to put this and also any color, but it has to be a hole in it. Now first we have to get this. We have to get the joiner and put it in these two hole pieces. Now we get this piece. We get this nut. Actually, it's not a nut. And then we put this inside. And then also this. It can be any color. It can be gray or it can be any color. Your choice. Now put it here and then put this inside of here. Then put this here. Oopsies. Okay, this was pretty. And put these pieces, and it can be any color, but it has to be a 6, and put it under here. And also has to be in the middle pocket. And then voila, this is a double-sided widget spinner. See, and we can do this, we can do that.